I'd like to give a massive shout out to every fluff bud you see on this screen. They are my amazing Patreons. If you want to check it out and become one yourself, click on the Patreon link and become a fluff butt today.
What up, fluff butts? Foxy here. We are at Central Station down here in Brisbane City. It's a big city. Look at it all around us. Oh, and I got some ferries here. Where are they? Oh, they're in the shot. Yay! So today we are down here at South Bank. Sorry, force of habit. At Brisbane City, at Central Station, to do the no pants train ride. So we're wearing pants now, you'll see that soon. At the same time, I think it's 12:30 p.m. today, everyone just takes their pants off, and we're gonna try and get some reactions of the public. What do you think, Box Fox? Yeah. Yeah? What about you, Glader? Ah! That's Glader, guys. Never met Glader before, there's a Glader. Hi, Glader. Ah. You ready, guys? You guys ready? Uh-huh. Yeah? Yeah? Let's do this.
How come you dress like that?
Why not? Why are you dressed like that?
Because why are you dressed like that?
For the same reason you're dressed like that.
You guys are the 10th, in the 10th year. This may or may not be.
What made you want to start it?
I mean, who wouldn't want to ride the trains in their underwear?
I know, right? It's pretty relaxing.
It's liberating.
And this is a worldwide event, is it?
It is. There's about 6,000 of them that started it to do it in New York each year around the same time.
And is it the same time as we do it?
Same day.
Oh wow! So worldwide, there's people everywhere riding no pants.
Yep.
How many did you have first year?
7.
7 people.
7 people turned up.
And the looks you got?
Priceless.
Yeah. There he is, the man himself. Is he pantsless? Oh yes he is! Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. I heard that some guys who weren't part of the group just joined in because why not? It's Aussie things. I hope you had a good time, Glader. Boxer, good time. Next year, if it happens again, if someone can organise it, please do. Had a lot of fun. Remember, guys, do not do this without permission. Organise. This is a worldwide event. All right, so find a place that's close to you that does it every year. We're gonna go get some food. We're gonna get a drink of water, and we'll see you all next time. Bye, fluffies. Rah!